This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your file and revealing what's hidden. Save a backup and enable show /hide so you see paragraph marks, spaces, and section breaks. Once done, check the Word version and install updates. Outdated builds cause weird behavior. Make sure Auto Recover is on and choose a clear view, draft, or print layout depending on the issue. These steps prevent accidental data loss and expose the formatting that often causes problems, so you can act on real information rather than guesswork. You now remove conflicting formatting that breaks layout. Select affected text and apply clear formatting or open reveal formatting to see overrides. Styles should control appearance, not manual tweaks. Next, adjust paragraph spacing and line spacing, small numbers like 0. 5-line can collapse text, so set consistent values. Then inspect and delete manual page and section breaks. They often split headers and footers or reset margins. If tables or images move, anchor them or convert to fixed position so layout stays stable as you edit. You finish by validating and stabilizing the document. Run the document inspector to remove hidden data and the compatibility checker to spot legacy issues. Then save as docx and export a PDF to lock formatting for others. If odd behavior persists, close Word and restart. This clears cached templates. As a last resort, copy content into a new blank document using paste special, unformatted text, or merge, which strips corruption while preserving content. If problems return,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.